Accessible Web, WCAG Manual Auditing. Success Criterion 2.4.2 page titled. Let's jump in. Success Criterion 2.4.2 ensures that each web page has a title that describes its topic or purpose. This helps users understand what web page they're on and supports navigation for screen reader users and in-browser tabs. RAMP automatically scans for missing or vague page titles. Review any flagged issues in the extension and add remediation tasks if needed. To manually check page titles, use the Detected Page Title helper in RAMP to view the current page title. Ensure the page title is present, clearly describes the topic or purpose of the page. For example, WCAG Audit and Certifications Accessible Web is a descriptive title, while a title like Home alone is too vague. If no page title is present, or if the title does not accurately describe the page content, add a failure in RAMP. And that wraps up testing for Success Criterion 2.4.2 using RAMP's Audit Grid and Chrome extension. Descriptive page titles improve usability, navigation, and SEO for all users.
Now it's your turn. Test your site with RAMP's Audit Grid. Try it free for 14 days using the link in the description.